Good morning, all of you. Let's continue from the previous topic. In the previous topic, we have discussed about the testes. Now we are going to discuss about the second part of the male reproductive system, that is the accessory ducts and the glands. So, accessory glands and the ducts. So it includes the rete testes, vasa efferentia, then epididymis, and the vasa deferens. So here you can see the rete testes, here it is, then this is epididymis, right, and vasa efferentia and the vas deferens, they are not mentioned in this diagram. I have to see that here. So the seminiferous tubules, they open in the vas efferentia. जब seminiferous tubule जो उनकी opening है, they open in the vas efferentia through this rete testes, right? And then this vasa efferentia open in the epididymis. Then after this, they open in this epididymis, and then they leads to the vas deferens, and the vas deferens open the urethra along with the duct from the seminal vesicles. Here are the seminal vesicles. These are the seminal vesicles, and they call the duct, that is the ejaculatory duct. तो what happens basically, जो seminiferous tubules है, they open in the vas efferentia. vas efferentia में वो खुलते हैं through the rete testes, and then they open into this vas efferentia, they open into the epididymis, and then this epididymis, they leads into the vas deferens, and this vas deferens open in the urethra. ये जो vas deferens है, ये urethra में खुलते हैं from the seminal vesicle, semini vesicle से होते हुए, and to the duct that is called the ejaculatory duct. ठीक है, this duct is known as the ejaculatory duct. अब ये जो ejaculatory duct है, इसका function क्या है? These basically, ये जो ejaculatory duct है, ये जो ejaculatory duct है, ये basically what it does, it stores the sperms. ये sperms को store करता है, and then ये ट्रांसपोर्ट करता है them to the outside when they are required. तो यूथ्रा जो है वो स्टार्ट होता है बेसिकली यूनरी ब्लैडर से, ये एक्सटेंड करता है, यूथ्रा जो है यूनरी ब्लैडर से स्टार्ट होता है, एंड दे एक्सटेंड टू द पेनिस, ये पेनिस तक जाता है, एक्सटेंड करता है पेनिस से, एंड ओपन बाय अ यूथ्रल मेट्रस. यहाँ पे मेंशन नहीं है बट इट शुड बी हेयर ओनली, यूथ्रल मेट्रस, वहाँ पे ये जो है उसमें वहाँ से ओपन बाय द यूथ्रल मेट्रस, वहाँ से बाहर आता है. सो एक्सेसरी ग्लैंड्स जो है हमारे पास वो है, उसमें अ पेयर ऑफ सेमिनल वेसिकल्स, अ प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड, दैट इज ऑल्सो नॉट मेंशन इन द डायग्राम. या हियर इट इज द प्रोस्टैटिक ग्लैंड एंड द यूथ्रा. दिस वन इज द प्रोस्टैटिक ग्लैंड एंड द यूथ्रा, एंड अ पेयर ऑफ bulbo utero gland and the duct. This is the bulbo utero gland in the bulb form. It is the bulbo utero gland and a duct. तो ejaculatory duct जो है बेसिकली वो sperms को स्टोर करता है, एंड व्हेन दे आर रिक्वायर्ड दे सेंड देम आउट. देन यूथ्रा जो है यूनरी ब्लैडर से स्टार्ट करता हुआ, पेनिस से एक्सटेंड करता हुआ, यूथ्रल मेट्रस से वो जो है बाहर उसकी ओपनिंग होती है. एक्सेसरी ग्लैंड्स में हमारे पास है, accessory glands include, first one is a pair of seminal vesicles. I show you in the diagram where it is, a pair of seminal vesicles. Then we are having a prostate gland, and the third thing that occurs in this accessory gland is a pair of bulboutral gland. So all these combinedly they form the accessory glands, एंड देन देयर इज द सिक्रीशंस ऑफ दीज ग्लैंड, जो इन ग्लैंड्स में सिक्रीशंस होती हैं, दे मेक अप द सेमिनल प्लाज्मा. जो सिक्रीशन होते हैं व्हाट दे फॉर्म अ सेमिनल प्लाज्मा दैट इज रिच इन द कैल्शियम, फ्रक्टोज एंड सम ऑफ द एंजाइम्स. अब ये क्या है, ये जो सिक्रीशंस होती हैं ग्लैंड्स में, ये क्या है, सेमिनल प्लाज्मा सिक्रीट करते हैं, ये सेमिनल प्लाज्मा बनाते हैं. और ये जो सेमिनल प्लाज्मा है दैट इज रिच इन फ्रक्टोज, कैल्शियम एंड सम ऑफ द एंजाइम्स, and this provide nutrition and the lubrication to the this penis, and they also help in the medium of motility to the sperms, जो एक तरह से मीडियम प्रोवाइड करते हैं ताकि जो स्पर्म्स है वो इजीली मूव कर सके. नाउ थर्ड पार्ट वी आर हैविंग इज द एक्सटर्नल जेनिटेलिया. The third one is the external genitalia. Now what is external genitalia? Now penis is the male external genitalia. जो penis है part of the male reproductive system, that is the male external genitalia. So what it works, it is made up of a special tissue. ये एक special tissue से बना होता है that helps in the erection of the penis. Erection means किसी चीज़ का tightly, strongly खड़े रहना. So that helps in the erection of the penis and facilitate insemination. और जो facilitate करता है insemination को means the transfer of the male gametes, that is the sperm, to the female genital tract. तो इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ अ स्पेशल टिश्यू जो कि उसको इरेक्शन में और इंसेमिनेशन में हेल्प करता है. द एनलार्ज एंड ऑफ द पेनिस, जो एनलार्ज एंड होता है पेनिस का, एक्सक्यूज यस, जो एनलार्ज एंड होता है पेनिस का दैट इज नोन एज ग्लैंड पेनिस. सी दिस इज द ग्लैंड पेनिस. ये एक तरह से कवरिंग होती है ग्लैंड पेनिस. जो एनलार्ज एंड है, enlarge end of the penis को हम कहते हैं gland penis. जो enlarge means बड़ा हुआ जो पार्ट होता है पेनिस का, that is known as the gland penis, and it is formed of the loosely skin. ये जो है इसके ऊपर एक loose fold of skin होता है, या आप कह सकते हो इसके ऊपर एक covering होती है, that is the loose fold of the skin, and that skin is known as the foreskin. Loose fold of the skin that is present on the gland penis is known as the foreskin. So this is all about the male reproductive system. In this we have discussed the three main parts of the male reproductive system. First one is the testes, then the accessory glands and the ducts, and third one is the external genitalia. In the testes we have discussed how they are present outside the abdominal cavity within the scrotum. They have testicular lobules, they have seminiferous tubules, and then seminiferous tubules are of two types, male germ cells and the serotolized cells. Male germ cells are also known as spermatogonia. Under the process of meiosis, they lead to the formation of the sperms. Serotolized cells helps in the nourishment of the germ cells. Then the region outside the seminiferous tubules is called the interstitial spaces that contain the Leydig cells. They are also known as the interstitial cells, and they are responsible for the formation of the androgens. Next we are having accessory ducts and glands, retiteste, vas efferentia, epididymis and vas deferens. All these open into the duct and from the seminal vesicle, and that duct is known as ejaculatory duct, and this helps in the storage of and the transportation of the sperms through the urinary bladder, extends through the penis and opens via urethral meatus. And accessory gland include seminal vesicles, they include porostate gland, they include the pair of bulbourethral glands. They help in the secretions and that make the seminal plasma, which is rich in the calcium and the fructose and some of the enzymes, and they provide nutrition and motility to the sperms. And the last one is the external genitalia. that is the penis. The male part of external genitalia is known as the penis. It contains special tissue that helps in the erection and facilitate insemination. The large part of penis is called gland penis, and the loose fold of skin is known as foreskin. So the diagram here it is, that is also given in your book, and it is very important. So every time when the question of the male reproductive system is asked, you have to draw the diagram also. So that's all about the today's topic. Thank you, students.